Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to dismiss a hero in the Watcher of Realms. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start a group attack here, and this is my lineup. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto start. Okay, so from here I'm just going to go ahead and deploy some heroes. So just give me a moment. So I'm going to place him over here, and now I'm going to face him this way. And now I'm just going to let this game run out again, so I'm going to pause this video. So say if I place this hero here and I made a mistake and I don't want him to be here, what I need to do is click on the little red, it looks like he's running away. So if I click that, that's going to take him back to here. And now it's going to have a cooldown, so you can't use that hero for at least a minute. So be mindful of that. So when you place your heroes, you want to make sure you put them in the right direction. Yeah, because if you do make a mistake, you're going to have to click on the little runaway button. That's going to place it back here, and you've got to wait that 1 minute timer before you can replace that hero back onto your game here.